Alright, guys. Right now, I know it has been a while since I have last posted. Right now, I am just on a walk. I hope there's no kidnappers. Yeah. I know it has been a while since I last posted a short or a video. There's like a lot of things going around. Right now, I'm walking. I just hope that car. I just hope that there's no kidnappers. Nothing. And I don't really know what to say, but just enjoy this walk with me, please. Look at that. Oh no. Oh. Ooh, what's this? Okay, never mind. Hold on. Okay. Good. I was trying to turn on the flash. Creepy guy. For a second, I thought that was the moon. Weird. Yeah, this is going to be my YouTube channel. And well, this is already in YouTube. I'm just making it. Ooh, leaf. Look at this. Leaf. Private property. I don't care. I'm just. Yeah. While we walk, I just want to give out a little bit more about myself. My favorite drink is does a drink count as a slushie? And I'll just count it as a slushie, or like an ice cream drink. My favorite drink is an Oreo McFlurry. I know that's a type of dessert, but I don't care. My favorite dessert is ice cream cake. Ice cream cake. Favorite type of ice cream is Oreo McFlurry. Favorite type of cake is ice cream cake. My favorite type of drink or soda is Dr. Pepper. Favorite type of food is gotta go with pizza. Stuffed crust though. Stuffed crust is amazing. Right here, I should not be showing the numbers, so just beware. Just ground. You can see my shadow right here. Ooh. I just saw the moon. But I think I saw the moon. Cool. It looks like it's staring right at me. This is where our church, in fact, used to be. all the games and fun church stuff, related stuff. And yeah, it should be cool. But now they're doing it at the Circle AK. I forgot where it is. Looks like a skull right there. You see it? You see it? The skull? It looks like a skull right there. The place, it's run down now. It looks like we're here now. Alright. Yeah, park. And yeah. Alright. Oh shoot, my shoe. Alright, guys. I will hope that I will post next month or next week. I don't know. But see you guys later. Peace.